In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the fog light cover on this Nissan Pathfinder. From underneath, we'll have to remove this corner part of the shield here so we can access the one bolt holding that fog light cover on. Use a T20 Torx bit and remove these 3 fasteners. At this point, you should be able to pull this either back or down or really anywhere out of your way. So you can stick your hand back here with a tool, remove the cover. Looking up through here, you'll see that 7mm screw right there. That is the only thing that you have to remove from this side. Take that out. Now squeeze these metal clips in and try to push out on this piece at the same time. This should allow it to pop out through the front. Oh, there it is. We have to reuse these clips unless you have new ones, and to do that, you're going to want to use a pick and just pry out on them. They should come right off. If you don't have a pick, you could use a little screwdriver, stick it in here and just pull it away. Take the new piece and just clip these right on. Make sure that that tab in the center actually hooks on. I accidentally put it right in between these two earlier, so that's what it's supposed to look like. Last one. That's what you don't want it to look like. There we go. All right. Now you're going to want to bring it in from the outside, line it up, get your screw started in to the hole in the plastic and tighten it up. When you tighten it, you want to make sure you don't go past when it gets snug because it's just plastic. It'll rip the threads out of there that it just created, and then it won't stay tight. And this will fall off while you drive, which is not what you want. So just make it snug, make sure it doesn't move around, which this one does not. Now let's put this fender liner back. Make sure these white clips go over this part of the bumper, not under, so that everything can clip in. This one lines up, so I'm going to start this one in. These don't have to be very tight, just snug. They're going into plastic. Last one over here. And now do the same to the other side if you need to.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.